narrow-minded society and its people, are they not able to hear the voice of that innocent girl? That faultless girl who is still in womb, कोख में जो है, and she asked to her mother, Mom, I want to come out. Mom, I want to come out. I want to see the world. I want to see the world. I want to sign my country name. I want to sign my name. I want to sign my parents' name. Is this society not able to listen that innocent voice of that girl when she asked for her mother that, Mama, I want to study further. I want to grow, Mama. I want to grow. I want to be independent. Is this society not able to listen? Is this society not able to hear that voice? When asking for her result, asking for her rights, she got slapped on her face. Is this society not able to hear or see that pain of that girl? Just saying by no someone, she got acid attacks. And even that much of harassment. People always say, we are empowering women. Wow, really, we are empowering. For those narrow-minded people, I have two lines on the behalf of all women. सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक जिनको छत तक जाना है. सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक जिनको छत तक जाना है. हमारी मंजिल तो आसमां है. हमारी मंजिल तो आसमां है. रास्ता हमें खुद बनाना है. Honorable Members, Jilbulbadi is a very, very wonderful evening, everyone. It gives me it's very prestigious part for me to speak on such a auspicious occasion. Hi, and I welcome you all here from the bottom of my heart. Hi, this is Abhishek. At present I am learning English from American Institute of Bhopal. First of all, I would love to pay thanks to my magnificent personality, my mentor, Mr. Sameer sir, who has given me this precious opportunity to speak over here. And I would love to pay thanks to you guys also for bringing out your valuable time for us. So let's begin to the topic. Women empowerment. Many of you are thinking that empowerment, it's okay. But what does it mean, empowerment? Empowerment has 4 characteristics. There are 4 sectors in empowerment, especially in women empowerment. First empowerment, socially empowered, economically empowered, culturally empowered, and politically empowered. I want to ask a very simple question. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Have you ever thought that why we are still counting in developing countries? No? I just want to share some facts and figures by which you will get to know that why we are still counting in developing countries and what is the role of women in that. In NFHS, NFHS report, in our country, it has been done just early in 2020, there is 1,020 women per 1,000 men. It simply means 51% women in our country. Okay? And the next report has been reported that in our country, the average age of every Indian is 28.4. That means the youthest country in the world. And after that much of population of our country, or that much of the youthness of our country, still we are in developing countries. How many of you know that what is the percentage of women in organized sector? How many of you know?
We don't.
Do you really want to know?
Yeah.
You are going to get shocked when you listen. In one report, NFHS, they have seen that only the 4% participation of the women is there in our country in organized sector. Can you imagine? Only the 4% women are. And one of other also they have shown that if the women are empowered in our country growth rate will increase by 27%. 27% it will be increased, our growth rate. And that is That is why we can say this is not about the women empowerment, but this is the empowerment of our country. Why we are living in India, and even in our India there is the Hinduism is very huge community is Hinduism, and in Hinduism they used to say that even the Lord Rama, the Sita comes first, Sita Rama. Then how the things has changed from there to there. Now why we need to empower women? Because of there would be something which has changed the position of that woman, what is today. And that is the point I would love to share here. The first point is there, some religious bigotry. In every religion, I have seen such rituals are there which has been made according to that time. Even we are following them from that time to today also. So I just want to say that we just need to overview it. Is it reliable for today, or it was reliable for that time? It was reliable for that time. We need to improve that rituals. We need to change some in that rituals. So like that kind of rituals, we can say dowry, parda pratha, child marriage, and many more are there. I don't want hurt any someone's religious sentiments. That's why I don't want to say that points. The next point is here, by which women are seen. Social media. What do you think about social media? Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, is that?
Yeah.
No, but in my perception, social media is also a television, also the online and offline advertisement. It's also the advertisement which has been shown in your newspaper, the advertisement which has been shown in your YouTube, which has been shown everywhere, wherever you are, in every platform. So in that, the social media has shown the one picture of the woman, that is beauty. They always show like a beauty object, either a beauty object or a mother or a housewife. They have not shown the every part of that woman. They always, even if you have seen in the advertisement, the men's razor, I have seen one advertisement, men's razor, anyhow they put women in that advertisement. There is no need women in that advertisement, but still they put some women in that advertisement. So are they not showing us that women are only the beauty object, only the housewife? If they are showing that kind of things, if we see the things again and again, the environment has changed, because the mentality will change after watching the same thing again and again. Even not only the mentality of men, even the mentality of women has changed. Some women think that if I am not looks good, they lose their confidence. They think I am nothing because I don't look good. I don't look good. So we just need to change the overview. We just need to. How many of you have seen a show kind of in which, regular show in which girls have been empowered? What the girls has been doing in their fields? What the good things are they doing? There is no show for the girls which empowers the woman. So there should be a show, particular show which has been shown in each and every platform, by which women get inspired. Women get the real definition of women. They get what she can do in her life. Beauty is the part. I appreciate it. It is the part. It is the one image of women. It is not all about the women. Let's move on to the next part. How we can empower the women. So the education. The first point comes education. Everyone knows about education. It is a very, 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 very essential point. Education. Whenever I talk about education, people think about formal education only. First, second, third, 10th, 11th, 12th. After that, graduation, it's okay. But in my perception, education is never only the formal education. Education must be for the girls. I love to request to government, there should be a self-defensive education. We should not be empowered to the women. Women should empower themselves. If they will be able to save themselves, if they will be able to fight with themselves, we need not to empower, they will empower themselves. There should be a self-defensive education. There should be a financial education so that they can become independent. They can become financially free. They should not be dependent to his husband, to his brother, to his father or anyone. By that, education completing, after come to the next point. Strict laws. In our country, we have seen, if you just file a case, you will get resolved in 6 or 7 years.